In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an Add to Google Calendar link in a Gmail email. This useful skill can be a real game changer for anyone looking to streamline their scheduling processes in a seamless and efficient manner. Whether you're coordinating meetings, events, or simply trying to ensure that all parties involved have access to important details, adding a Google Calendar link directly into your email is a highly effective method. Let's begin by opening Google Calendar in your web browser. You can do this by simply navigating to the Google Calendar website. Once you're in, locate the Create button, which is usually prominently displayed at the top left of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter some essential information for your event. Make sure you fill in all the necessary fields such as the event title, the date and time, and any pertinent details you want your recipients to know. This step lays the foundation for the event you'll be sharing. After setting up your event, it's time to grab the event link that you'll be embedding in your email. You do this by going to More Actions, which is typically found as a drop-down option in your event window. From there, select Publish Event. This option allows the event details to be available to anyone you share the link with. Now copy the provided URL called the link to event. This URL is your key to linking the email to your Google Calendar event. The next step is to seamlessly integrate this link into your email. Begin by opening Gmail and composing a new email. Picture how you want the email to appear. You might want a short, inviting message to accompany the link. This adds a personal touch. Highlight the text that will serve as the clickable link, like Add to Google Calendar. To turn this text into a link, look for the Insert Link icon, which typically resembles a small chain link. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K if you're comfortable with shortcuts. A dialog box will appear. There you paste the Google Calendar event URL that you copied earlier and click OK to insert. Finally, all that's left to do is send the email to your desired recipients. When they receive it, they'll have the option to click the link, which will direct them to the Google Calendar event page. From there, they can easily add the event to their own calendar with just a couple of clicks. And there you have it, a practical and effective way to ensure everyone involved can access and add the event details with ease. This method not only saves time, but also reduces the chances of any misunderstanding regarding scheduling. Happy emailing, and enjoy the newfound convenience of Google Calendar links in your correspondence.